Hey everybody, Kim Thompson here. Thank you for joining me this afternoon. I am so excited to do this new feature on my brand new business page, and I share it with my VIP group. But the new feature that I'm introducing from now until the end of March is Product Spotlight Friday, where I will do a live video and I will talk about a particular product and its many uses. And today we're starting with the large utility tote. This is one of my favorite products, and the reason is because I started selling 31 gifts as a part of my organizing business, and I was really immediately attracted to this 31, the large utility tote for my decluttering process when I'm with my clients. In fact, I've even written a note and a tip about that, which I will put in the link here to this video so you have free access to it, about how to really start the organizing process using the large utility totes. Okay, so this is a fantastic tote. First of all, you've got these very long handles, okay? And you will see that it fits right on my countertop. I live in an apartment. This is a small counter, and it really takes up very little space. I can grab this like so, and I do have a couple of small appliances in here for you to see. And look how I can either just grab it and put it on my shoulder, or if I really need to, I can put it on my forearm and carry it like this. This is something you really can't do with other types of totes, either plastic totes or other totes by other companies. You really can't do that. And the reason why it's important in the decluttering process to do this is because you will be taking these totes from room to room as you begin to declutter. I suggest getting several of these and personalizing them. And so if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to talk about an offer that I'm running only for this week, okay, for those of you who are buying these totes. I want to show you how big it is. Yes, it is very portable, but I've got two small appliances in here, which if I were to take this to a community donation center, you know how we do that. We get these new coffee machines, and we want to, get rid of the old coffee machine because we're not using it, but it's not broken, it works fine, we're just not using it, so we want to donate it and bless another family with it. So we can put it in the large utility tote. Now I've got a 4-cup coffee machine in here just to show you. Now I'm really not donating this because I do use it, but it fits in here along with my 4-quart. Let me try to get this out without spilling. Well, I don't have to. I can just, did you see this? It collapses. So I can just collapse my large utility tote and take out my 4-quart slow cooker. Again, I'm not really going to donate this because I use this all the time to make my chicken soup that I make, okay? But as you can see, it's really easy to take stuff, put stuff in and take stuff out because of the collapsibility of it. Let me show you that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, as I like to say. Look at this, and this is what makes this utility tote stand out, is the collapsibility of it. When I'm not using it, and I don't use it every day, okay? When I'm not using it, boom, it just collapses, and I can either store it under my bed or I can store it in a closet on a shelf. It's not big, it's not bulky, it's fits right in beautifully, okay? But wait, there is something else that I think many of us would like to have, and that is, okay, fine, I could put this in my car, but I want to be able to protect the contents I put in it. How can I do that? Well, I can do that very simply. First, let me put these contents back in. My 4-quart slow cooker. I know it's probably never a good idea to turn my back to the camera, but this is the only way that I can do it. So bear with me. And my 4-cup coffee maker fit right in. Okay, fine. So I get these in the back of my car, ready to donate, or in my trunk. How can I protect them? How can they stop from falling out? Well, you'll notice that when I put them in, one thing is this stands up automatically. Fantastic. But it also, sold separately, is the top-a-tote. Highly recommend it. And you see the clear top? You can see the contents of what's in the tote. So, and it's easy to put on. I just thread the straps through it on both sides. Okay? And I just secure each corner. Now I'm ready to go. Everything is secure. Nothing is falling out. I can lift and I can go. And for this week only, I'm running a special. If you buy these 2 products, okay, you buy 1 tote and 1 top-a-tote, 1 large utility tote and 1 top-a-tote, I will have, you can get, I can start this over again. I'm so nervous. If you buy 1 large utility tote and 1 top-a-tote, I will, you will get free direct shipping. You will still pay for shipping to the consultant, that would be me, but then I will cover the extra charge of getting it free directly to your house. That's deal number 1. That's a great deal. This is a $35 tote. The top-a-tote is $10, okay? And so that's $45 plus shipping. You know, I'll knock off the price for the direct ship for 1 tote. But if you get 4 totes for your decluttering purposes, okay, what I will do, and you get 4, if you get the 4 totes and you get the top-a-tote, so you get 4 totes, 4 top-a-totes, I will throw in the personalization for free. That's $40 off, okay? So you get, and we will personalize it to help you in your decluttering process. We will personalize it in 4 different ways. Keep, recycle, trash or throw away, and bless, donate, or give. Okay, this is to help you get on your decluttering process, and we can personalize that in any way that you like, but I will give it to you for free if for this week only, from Friday today until next Friday, which is March 2nd, you buy it this week. That's the deal that you get. So if you get 1 top-a-tote and 1 large utility tote, I will pay for a direct ship to your house. If you get 4 large utility totes and 4 top-a-totes, I will pay for your personalization. It's that important to me as an organizer and as your 31 consultant to get you on the road to being an organized household, an organized mom, You know, how many times in your family have you started school and, you know, gotten ready for school in the morning and you can't find anything and you're going through piles and piles and piles of papers and shoes and all that kind of stuff, and it's all stuff. You start the decluttering process with these large utility totes, your morning will be that much easier. You will be able to find where things are. You won't be fighting as much with your children to get their shoes on because they can't find their shoes and they can't get them on, or they can't find their homework because it's in a pile on the table and you don't know where it is. Well, when you start the decluttering process with these large utility totes and the Tapa tote, your family life will be enriched. So, again, one large utility tote, one Tapa tote, you get free direct shipping. 4 large utility totes and 4 Tapa totes, you get free personalization. You can't beat that. It's good from today, February 23rd, to Friday, March 2nd. Thank you. Enjoy it. Love it. Love you guys. You're awesome. Thank you.